Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a hot glue gun at home using simple materials. This project is fun, easy, and very practical. So let's get started. Step 1. Making the frame. First, draw the frame of the glue gun on a piece of cardboard. Then, cut it out carefully using scissors. Make several cardboard pieces the same way as shown in the video. Now, glue the pieces together by placing one on top of another. After that, let the cardboard frame dry completely. Step 2. Making the upper part. Take an empty can and carefully cut it. Shape the can so that the glue can flow out smoothly. Then, attach it to the cardboard frame using tape. Next, take a piece of paper and roll it to make a glue stick of the same size. Cut the roll into several small pieces, as shown in the video. Now, take a popsicle stick and cut one end to make it even. Using superglue, attach one piece of the paper roll to the popsicle stick. Place it in the center of the frame. This will work as the trigger of the glue gun. Take some rubber bands and attach them to the back of the trigger roll. Now, glue the rest of the frame together to complete the glue gun structure. Check whether the trigger is working properly. Step 3. Final step. Take a wax candle and insert it inside the cardboard frame as a glue stick. Heat the front part carefully using fire. After a short time, you will see the melted glue coming out. Your handmade glue gun is now ready. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.